How to add custom fonts in Canva? This is what we will find out in this video. Hiya, it's Reni here from Reni Creative. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been before. In today's video, I will show you how you can add custom fonts in Canva. So if this is what you want to find out, then feel free to follow along.
So now I created this new video again. I mean the intro and the outro will be the same. I just a little bit will change the main part, and hopefully this time will be without any noise and any strange backgrounds. The only thing might you can hear that there is an air show going on where I live, so might you can hear some noise of the airplanes, but other than that, hopefully everything will be great this time. So anyone who wanted to see this video, because I saw some views already on that yesterday, then thank you very much for your patience, and now you can see the video again. So let's jump into the topic then straight away. So before I start, I just want to do, as I did on the previous one as well, shout out for Fashionable shirts, who actually asked about this, how to add fonts to Canva, and because of that actually I decided to create a video on this one. So I just want to encourage you, if you have any question, if you would like to see any topic related to print on demand, like Redbubble, TeePublic, or KDP, Amazon KDP, or Canva, then feel free to let me know in the comment below, and I am happy to create a video for you. Only thing is actually I'm just going back to work from Monday, so just please be patient with me. I try to go back to you as soon as I can with the comments and the answers, and also with the videos, but I try to create now like 3 videos a week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and also keep the short video about Redbubble low competition niches on Mondays as well. So anyways, so now we speaking about Canva, and so how you can upload custom fonts to Canva. There are 2 ways. The first way, if you are here on the main site, actually very important, I forgot to tell you, to do this, to upload the custom fonts in Canva, actually you definitely know the need Canva Pro accounts. So if you would like to try out Canva Pro for free 30 days, then you can find the description. So just click on the link below the description to try out. I am an affiliate on that one, so if you try out through my link, then I really appreciate it. If you know, then it's absolutely fine as well. You can just go to canva.com and you can subscribe to Canva Pro through that one. It's fine. So the first way you can do the custom fonts. If you go left hand side, as you can see the brand, so you click on brand. I can't speak, sorry. And on the right hand side here, I'm just going a little bit down, you can see upload a font. So you will click on that one, upload a font. And what I gonna do now, I actually will just go to check. 1 second, I just need to find my font now. So here, and just check out the fonts. Yes, and let's see. Actually, these fonts are from Creative Fabrica, so I will show you as well how you can get from Creative Fabrica too. Actually, I just done the first time as well, like yesterday or day before yesterday, so when I created the first video about this subject. And so this is the other reason I am actually very grateful for this subject, because this is the first time I've done as well, now the second, but actually now we can grow together, which is really great. So let's check. Actually is Arabella script, so just let's check that one, and I will click on that, and one thing will come up. Please confirm the following. By uploading my own custom font, I acknowledge that I own Arabella script.otf or have the right to use it for my intended purposes. So actually you just want to make sure you actually can use it, you have the right for it. So if you know you have, then of course yes, upload away. So you click on that one, and just waiting for a little bit for Canva, and after I will show you, as you can see, straight away uploaded font, and here is Arabella script regular as well. And now I will show you something. So if we go to here on the right hand side on the top, create a design, then I will just go with let's say like a t-shirt design. So I'm just go with 5,000 times 5,000 like this, and create new design. And I'm just go with the same example I done last time, the follow your dreams. So I'm just going with that. So if I go to the click on text, and we go to add the subheading, then I'm just going to write follow your dreams. So follow your dreams. So I just won't do any like fancy design now. I'm just want to actually show you about these fonts. So I won't create anything very unique or something. I just want to make sure you know about this font, how to upload the custom font. So now you can see follow your dream, and if you go here to open sense, where is the font, just click on the drop down arrow, and which one was the last one? I know the Abigail. Which one was the new one? It was the Abigail regular? No, it wasn't. It was something else. Arabella, yes, Arabella script. So you can see if you scroll down, Arabella script regular. So click on that one, and as you can see, actually it is quite big. So I cannot see anything. Yeah, it's very big. So I need to make sure might just go smaller so we can see properly ourselves. Yes, follow your dream. Much smaller. So much smaller so we can see. And yeah, it's very different, but I can see if I'm just doing 9 spacing for now. So this one is the more clearer. So this is a very different style of font. So you need to handle this font a little bit differently than you normally would do with another one. Okay, so like this, it looks like this. And if I just click on the whole size, then actually it looks like this. For me it's a bit strange, but now you have the idea how you can actually change the font and upload custom font. So the other way you can do, again, you go here where you can see here on the left hand side, just click on the scroll down, and actually we just want to just click the X for now, and I'm just going back, so get back with the arrow, and you want to be here at the main part of the fonts, actually, where you can write what you are looking for, as you can see here. So once you are on that part, then you can scroll down. Actually, you don't even need to, because as you can see on the left hand side here down, then upload a font. So this is the second way you can upload a font. So click on that one, upload a font, and I just look for just training purposes another one, so you can see. Let's go with Florenti. I like this one, so Florenti, and click on that one. And again, make sure you can use it. You have the right to use, and just a little bit waiting, and we will have the font in a minute. So now we want to check out, so just scroll down, and here just put the letter F because it was Florenti, and as you can see, Florenti regular, so just click on that one, and ta-da, we have this Florenti regular. We just want to make it a little bit bigger, and ta-da, this is, and we actually don't need, I don't think we really need the spaces, the line spacing. Let's see if I just, yeah, it's too bad. I can do it. It's fine, yeah, it's good. I just make it a little bit bigger like this. Okay, and let's just double check how it looks like in full size. Yeah, it looks, I like better this one. So this is how you can do it, how you can upload the custom fonts, and I show you. So what I like to use, I like Creative Fabrica as well. I will create a video about this because it's very, very helpful for your KDP business, for actually any print on demand, like for Redbubble, for T-Public, for Zazzle, and any of that is really great because you can find like covers, interiors, you can find patterns, you can find like digital papers for your covers, you can find text designs, you can find sunset designs, you can find a lot of kind of designs. So actually it's really, really helpful. Just you always want to make sure you have the right to use the font, the designs as well, and you always want to make sure you do a little bit like alter on that one, so you change a little bit because a lot of people use this site. And but anyway, actually it will be another subject with another video. So what you can do, either you can just go for like looking for like fonts, so you can look for any font, or I will show you in a minute. So what you can do here, so you can see any font, and what else you can do, there is like here on the right hand side on the top there is a freebies. So if you can choose all freebies, you can choose free fonts, and you can do with free fonts, and you can just check which one you like the better, and you can actually download for yourself. For example, this one I received a few days ago an email about that. So this the fabulous font bundle actually now is free, and as you can see, it's a really great now is a really great discount, very great, because including 42 lovely fonts, normal price is $579, and now it's free. So it's 18 days left, 9 hours 10 minutes 17 seconds. So it's actually it's a really great deal as well. So if you would like to use this one, then you can download from Creative Fabrica too. And if you would like to try out Creative Fabrica, I will leave the link below the description, in the description as well, and you can click on the link. Is again, I am affiliate with that, but you don't need to use it. If you use it, I really appreciate it and thank you for that. But if you don't, then just go to the website straight away, and you can try out from there. It's absolutely fine. So actually what you can do, for example, if we go with this one, you can just click on download, and I won't because I already downloaded. So once you have on your computer, then what you want to do, you just go for the downloads, and actually once you have like a template pack, for example, I won't open it, but I just show you what you can do. So you can just go here like extract here, or you can just cut and just go to the file, or you open a new file where you want to save it and extract here, or extract files, and you can find all the fonts you need, and actually after that you can just use it as well. So it is really handy and really great. So this is what I wanted to show you. So I hope this video was very helpful, and I really hope now is no other noises. So if it helped for you, then please feel free to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with the algorithm, and also if you would like to see similar videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, and also you can just leave in the comment what would you like to see, as I mentioned before. So I wish you have a lovely afternoon, and the rest of the...
So now you know how you can add custom fonts in Canva. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out with the algorithm. And also, if you would like to see similar videos like this, then feel free to subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated. And also, if you would like to know how to create text effects in Canva, then tap on the screen and check out my video where I actually talked about that. And also, if you would like to see more Canva videos, then check out my playlist where actually you can find a few more videos about Canva as well. And if you would like to see some kind of videos, then please let me know the subject, what would you like to know about, and also if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment below. See you in the next one. See you. Bye bye.